And more people across the U.S. are booking appointments to get a coronavirus vaccine.
And it appears younger Americans are willing to travel out of their area to get one. Makes sense. We're seeing numbers rise among some young folks in some states out there. So NewsNation correspondent Nancy Liu, she's live for us in L.A. with how these young folks are finding a surplus of doses out there. Nancy.
Well, Rob, even though vaccine eligibility is expanding fast everywhere, it is not fast enough for a lot of young people. The hack here in LA County is to head north, where there is an open door policy for all adults in Kern County. And there are actually vaccine nomads all over the country. It's a rural and fairly industrial city 2 hours north of LA, and many who live in and around Bakersfield do not want the COVID vaccine.
I just don't see like a point in it. The fact that it's the death rates and all that, it hasn't really changed. It didn't really matter. I mean, obviously it happens every once in a while in history. You look at it, some pandemic has to happen. People survive, people are gonna die, it is what it is.
Cue the rush of people from LA County. Thousands have been road tripping up to this vaccination site at Cal State Bakersfield. A surplus of doses prompted health officials to open things up to all adults from anywhere, and word spread fast online.
I mean, they had extra vaccines, so, if they're gonna throw it away, better to put it to good use than waste it.
A lot of areas where they don't really believe in the masking or even COVID itself, it seems like there's a lot more opportunities to get it because not as many people are getting it. So we're happy to drive the extra bit of time to get our shot.
Those who work at the Bakersfield site are happy to serve the urban influx.
The number one goal is to put as many shots in people's arms as we possibly can.
About 40 states have already opened up vaccinations to all over the age of 16, and every state will be there by April 19th. But pandemic-weary Americans are impatient. Rural areas with extra doses and no crowds are a quick shot fix. In recent weeks, people have also descended on Amarillo, Texas, from New Mexico, Denver, Houston, and Dallas. Illinois is opening up vaccinations to all adults on Monday, but impatient Chicagoans have been fanning out to rural sites or crossing the state line into northwest Indiana.
You can register online, but if people walk up and drive up, if we've got the vaccine and we've got the spots, we're going to put it in ours.
Surplus shots are also a draw in Arkansas. This pharmacy just east of Little Rock has seen limited local demand for the vaccine. According to a study by Kaiser, 13% of Americans say they will definitely not get the COVID vaccine. For now, many among the rest are rushing to places like Bakersfield because waiting just another week longer is just too long.
The other thing is, we don't really have that much to do right now. We're all in quarantine, so if there's a week that could be back working, it's kind of significant when you think about it.
Extra doses and available appointments actually have things changing fast, even in urban areas. Those slots and sites, they are opening up ahead of schedule. However, many young people say the lines will still be shorter in rural areas. Live in LA, Nancy Liu, NewsNation.